Today I'll show you how to get all the cool AI models out there for free, at least for 1 year. So we'll do this through getting Perplexity Pro for free. It includes Google Gemini, Claude, Grok and all the other stuff which I personally don't use. So we'll go onto the link which is in this video's description. After you have given this video a like, you'll click through it, log in with your Perplexity account. You can also use your Google account for that, and then you'll be able to access Perplexity Pro for free. But not yet, because it's a cooperation between PayPal and Perplexity. It's really weird, but you don't have to care about that, because you just have to give your PayPal information to Perplexity. So after you forgot about this abonnement, after 1 year, they can charge you a lot of money. But you won't do that because you have to set yourself a calendar notification. And now you have all these cool chatbots. Really great. I personally use them for script writing and stuff. If you want a precise tutorial on how to write scripts with AI, just write a comment and I'll make a better video than anyone else. That's it. Please like, subscribe and write a nice comment if this video was helpful. Have a nice day.